everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install unknown apps and turn this on using a Samsung phone. So this is very easy. So all you have to do is go to settings, swipe down from the top right. Now under settings, go to search. So it could be different on your version of Android, but just go to this and go to unknown. And we can see this pops up immediately, install unknown apps. Just go to here. Then go down to install unknown apps, tap this. Now go to the app that you're trying to download the unknown app from. So like you're probably downloading it from Google Chrome, just turn this on. Or it could be something else, it could be a different web browser. Just go to that and turn it on. And then you should be able to allow it to download through that source. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.